Okay, Watson. One of the things I wanted to talk about was how you slice your herbs, if you will. So we just have some chives here. Normally, people would go. The proper way to cut would be like so, and then a slice here. But what ends up happening is you crush a lot of the cells. So if you were to drag with a very sharp knife the other way, you get a nice clean cut without any tearage. Or crushage, I guess it should be. So we just drag it out. Not cutting the most proper way or efficiently, but we'll just do it slowly. But we just drag the knife across. Now, some people cut them with scissors and whatever, but this is just how I do it for best. I guess if I was doing it for best, I would take more time, make these really, really even. It is what it is. Good enough. When you are using the knife, I mean, if you are going to drag it together, you should use the back rather than, don't ever scrape this way. If you are going to scrape, go blade side. But you can see even that's crushing them.